I must be doing this wrong. I can't hear the ocean. What's going on, guys? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is a Solepost sneaker review. Today what we have up for review is the adidas NMD CS1 Parley for the Oceans. This is the third straight year of collaborations for Adidas and Parley for the Oceans. The first year was a 7,000 shoe run, just of the Ultra Boost Uncaged. Then they did the collection last year that had Ultra Boost NMD and a couple other shoes, the EQT Support. Now for this year's releases, we have the adidas NMD City Sock 1 or CS1. There's also an Ultra Boost X and an Ultra Boost women's pair as well. All right, let's take a look at the box. The box has the 3 stripes branding going across both sides. So on the front and the back of the shoe, the logo extends, the little 3-stripe Adidas logo. Right here we have the Adidas and Parley logo, and on the back we have the Adidas and Parley logo. On the sides we have the Adidas with the 3 stripes, you know, their branding and everything. I do like how it's like a nice baby blue tint, and it gives it a really clean, unique look. And on the front we have the adidas NMD CS1 Parley branding, 10.5 is my shoe size, as well as the actual little picture of the shoe. A lot of sneaker brands need to start doing this. Put little stickers on the shoes with the little pictures of the shoe. That's entirely necessary. Like if you have like 30, 40 pairs, I don't want to be searching through shoes. So the fact that they do that is actually a really good touch. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe is divided up into 3 different sections, and what's really dope about the shoe is that the Primeknit upper is actually made from Parley's ocean plastic that they obtained from, you know, obviously the ocean. That's a great way to use the ocean plastic that they obtained. Now the upper has this kind of like black and baby blue, seafoam greenish kind of look to it, and it has an ankle collar. It's completely black. Looking at the heel, it is an Adidas and Parley dual branded heel. The medial of the shoe actually features additional details about the shoe as well as the color code on this nice gray panel. The midsole is a full length Boost midsole, front to back, back to front, with the EVA plugs. And it sits on the NMD outsole. Going into the insole is just, you know, again, similar to NMDs of past, basically all the NMDs. You just sit right on the Boost panel with the really tiny kind of like insole. And additionally there's, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but the Adidas and Parley logos are both in there. I don't know, I like the shoe. The shoe has a nice colorway, nice form factor, and again, it's for a great cause, or it's it's made from a great cause. And yeah, let's get some detailed looks at the shoe. Adidas NMD City Sock Parley for the Oceans is available at Adidas retailers and adidas.com for $220. This has been a review of the Adidas NMD CS1 Parley for the Oceans. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, dislike it. I'll feel bad about it, but you know, that's your honest opinion. Also, check out Solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, features, as well as more reviews just like this. You can follow Solepost at the Solepost everywhere. I'm John from Solepost once again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.